1, 2, buckle my shoe.
1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up the 6. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10. A big fat hen. What do you know? It's a big fat hen. It's a big fat hen. Look at the big fat hen. Do 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 do. A big fat hen. A big fat hen. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3 and 4, shut the door. 5 and 6, pick up the 6. 7 and 8, lay them straight. 9 and 10. Big fat hen, a big fat hen, a big fat hen, a big fat hen. A big fat hen, a big fat hen, a big fat hen. Look at the big fat hen. A hen, a hen, a hen, a hen, a hen, a hen, a hen. 1 and 2, pick up the glue. 3 and 4, put it on the door. 5 and 6, pick up picks. 7 and 8, put it straight. 9 and 10, a job well done, a job well done.
Subscribe, like, and share our videos.